Yeah, HBSP, HP Productions. Shawty, come here. I wanna grab your body, lay you on the sofa. And as I pull your hair, I wanna stroke your body, make you bend over for me. And you've been waiting patiently for me to break you off. And girl, your clothes still on, but I'ma rip them off with my teeth, yeah, yeah, yeah. And girl, I'ma whisper this into your ear. How deep do you want me to go? Do you want me to spit it up or go slow? Start from the beat, now we up here on the floor. Girl, you're really in for a treat now. Don't fall in love cause we just having sex. I'm gonna get you wet, we not making love tonight. Hey, cause I love your neck, kissing I love your body, babe. Girl, you gon' get it tonight when we have sex. Oh yeah, when we have sex. Oh yeah, when we have. You gon' get it tonight when we have sex. No, I usually don't do this, but this is dedicated to a friend, you know. Shout out to Pete. Oh, Paul.